Now, what if you want AI to do the heavy lifting? AI vibe code builders are a relatively new category, and it's where most of the confusion lives. AI builders let you describe what you want in natural language, and they generate a website for you. But here's what most people don't know. These tools are much better at building applications than marketing websites. By application, I mean a tool with logins, dashboards, and custom-made functionality. The kind of thing you'd sign into. So which one's right for you depends on what you're actually trying to build. And one quick note, none of these are instant. Each build takes a few minutes, and complex apps can take up to 10. Let's start with Hostinger Horizons. Now, quick clarification, Hostinger Website Builder is the drag and drop tool we just covered. Hostinger Horizons is their separate AI builder. It's the same company, just a different product. Horizons is the cheapest entry into the whole AI builder category, and the most beginner-friendly of the bunch. It's all in one with native online sales, payment processing, and analytics built right in, so you can ship something real without having to wire up extra services. Their AI helper, called Cody, is also free, and it's specifically good at fixing those situations where the AI tells you it fixed something, but didn't. Cody diagnoses what went wrong and then tells you the exact next thing to try. But if you're thinking about SEO, Sites Horizons builds are tricky for Google to read. So any project where Google traffic matters, pair Horizons with a real marketing site. We'll come back to that in a minute. Next, we have Base44. Wix bought Base44 in mid-2025 for around $80 million, and it runs as its own brand under Wix. They bought it specifically to cover the app side of AI building, so Wix and Base44 are complementary, but not the same product. If you want a marketing site, use Wix. If you want to build an app, use the company Wix bought to build apps. Base44 is the most all-in-one tool in this category, with database, user logins, email, hosting, all built in, plus a huge library of one-click integrations with other services. The standout feature is Plan Mode, a way to talk through the architecture of your app with the AI before any code gets generated. The thing to know about pricing, though, is the dual credit system. There's one type of credit when you prompt the AI, and a different type when your live app actually uses things like email or AI integrations. It works, but the math is a bit unusual. Then there's Lovable, the independent player here. The output is the cleanest in this category for non-coders building real software, and the big selling point is portability. If you ever decide you want to switch hosting providers, hand the app to your own developers, or just stop using Lovable entirely, the export gives you everything you need to move the whole app elsewhere. Now, that sounds basic, but it's actually kind of rare in this category. Pricing-wise, the free tier gives you 5 build credits a day. Paid plans let you customize how many credits you want, and unused credits roll over to the next month. Base44 doesn't do that. Now, Lovable is famous for getting stuck in bug loops. It'll fix one thing and break 2 others, and each retry costs credits, so budget for the next tier up from entry. One thing that's true about every AI app builder in this category: Google and AI search engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity have a hard time reading the sites these tools generate. So if you want people to find your site through search, the right answer is often a combination. Use an all-in-one builder or WordPress for the public marketing site that Google can read, and an AI builder for the app it links to. Lovable even has a WordPress.com integration built in for this exact pattern.